Super forward. Ang sweet-sweet mo naman, Nathaniel. Ang sweet-sweet mo. Ala, may pamutbuk. At last one. Ano to? Saan na na? Wait lang guys ha. Ayan o, nakabukas na siya.
10 minutes worth of. Then they made it last minute that we had to go on a lockdown. I told the kids to come. I grabbed my key.
Oh, cute!
And we were in the closet for 5
Bakit nang binigay sa akin? Ito, wala yan. Cute. Mga Legos yung ginagawa, binigay niya sa akin. Yung sweet-sweet yun naman. Nakulagay mo dito.